Hello everyone, this is Coach Lana and I'm checking in today to share some information about salt versus Himalayan salt. Himalayan salt seems to be the big thing right now. A lot of people are wondering about it, so I thought I'd make it the focus of my update today. Common table salt is empty of nutritional value. After processing, salt is mostly sodium chloride, which is an unnatural chemical type of salt that our body actually sees it as foreign and toxic. It's lacking, important minerals, that make salt good for us. Commonly sold, table salt or chemical table salt is composed of about 97% sodium chloride and 3% chemicals like iodine, absorbents, and sugar. Yeah, sugar. Can you believe that? That was fascinating to me to learn that. Table salt is also dried at more than 1200 degrees Fahrenheit, and this changes the naturally occurring structure of the salt. Processed table salt crystals are completely isolated from each other. In order for our bodies to metabolize chemical table salt, it must waste a lot of energy trying to keep the body at the necessary fluid balance, our healthy fluid balance. This creates an unnecessary burden on elimination systems in the body. When we ingest table salt, our body cannot dispose of it naturally or in a healthy way. So water is removed from our other cells in our system in an attempt to neutralize that unnatural sodium chloride. So for each gram of table salt that your system cannot process, your body will use over 20 times the amount of cellular water to neutralize the sodium chloride in the chemically treated table salt. This can lead to water retention, cellulite, rheumatism, arthritis, gout, high blood pressure, inflammation of the tissues, as well as kidney and gallbladder stones. Seriously, the list actually goes on. If you think about inflammation, how many ailments are caused by inflammation? It's just an unending list. Now, Himalayan crystal salt is far superior to traditional iodized salt, which is extremely toxic. Himalayan salt is millions of years old. It's a pure form of salt, untouched by many of the toxins and pollutants that are common in other forms of ocean salt or sea salt. Himalayan crystal salt contains the same 84 natural minerals and elements found in the human body. All 84 of the natural mineral and elements found in the human body. That is just crazy. This crystal form of sea salt's also been maturing over the past 250 million years under intense tectonic pressure, creating an environment of zero exposure to toxin impurities. So it's been isolated. Its minerals exist in a colloidal form, which means that they're so tiny that they're able to pass into the cells easily and be utilized. So the health benefits of Himalayan crystal salt are numerous, and I'm just going to name a few. Help prevent the flu. No, just kidding. They encouraging blood sugar health. So if you think of people who are diabetic, this might be something good to add to their diet. Lowering the incidence of sinus problems, reducing muscle cramps, increasing bone strength, naturally promoting healthy sleep patterns. Have trouble sleeping? Controlling the water levels within the body, so we're regulating them for proper function, and promoting a stable pH in the cells, including the brain. So everybody's talking about having a more alkaline diet. You add the Himalayan crystal salt to your water, and it's going to help you have a more alkaline diet. Aiding in the reducing of common signs of aging, promoting increased absorption of food within the intestinal tract. Now that's huge because a lot of us don't get the benefits of our food because they're not being absorbed appropriately in our intestine, and we're losing out on a lot of that nutrition. Aids in vascular health, supporting healthy respiratory function. Creates a healthy libido. Reduces the chances of developing rheumatism, arthritis, and gout. And that's when you compare it to chemically treated salt. Also reduces the chances of developing kidney and gallbladder stones when compared to chemically treated salt. So Himalayan crystal salt is becoming more common. It's a wonderful alternative to table salt. Add a pinch to your water and cook with it often. So this is Coach Lana. Just sharing some information with you. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I'm out of here.